If I was starting UGC from scratch in 2026 with 0 followers, no experience, and without any huge connections, this is the exact step-by-step plan that I would follow to get my first paid brand deal as fast as humanly possible. 2 years ago, I was working at Walmart making $14 an hour, stocking shelves at 6 a.m. And today I made 6 figures from my phone working with brands like Adobe, Perplexity, and helped over 200 women build real income as creators. But none of that came from luck or talent. What I did was avoid the mistakes that keep 95% of new creators stuck for months. And today I'm giving you the entire playbook. So let's get into it. Now, before I walk you through the plan, I need to be honest about something. Most of the UGC advice on the internet right now will actually slow you down. And I know because I followed all of it when I started, and it took me months and months of grinding to only make $300. So all of this comes after the months of pain. I'm gonna cover the stuff that actually works, and I'm gonna break it into 5 steps that you can literally start today. The first thing I would do is pick a lane. And by lane, I mean choosing 2 to 3 niches that you actually have a connection to. So here's the biggest mistake I see beginners make. They see creators on the internet do skincare UGC. And what they do is they go to their bathroom, they go find all of their skincare, make skincare UGC. But that is backwards. The whole point of UGC is to be authentic. So if you're not passionate about skincare, the brands are gonna see that you're not passionate about skincare, and you're not gonna really land any skincare deals. Brands are gonna see that from a mile away. They're going to see right through it, and so will their audience. So here's what I tell every single creator I work with. Look at the last 20 things that you bought. Look at the apps on your phone. Look at what you talk about with your friends without being paid. That's UGC. And that is your niche. So if you're super excited about AI apps and AI technology, why not niche in that? If you're a nurse, your lane is probably healthcare, maybe wellness, supplements, scrub brands. Maybe that's your deal. And if you're a mom, your lane is baby products, family apps, home goods, meal prep brands. And if you're a college student, your lane might be productivity apps, budget and fashion, tech accessories, and more. So the reason that this matters is because when you pitch a brand in your lane, you can say, I already use this product every single day, and it helps you a ton to land them as a brand and seed your name out there. It's worth more than any fancy portfolio. My first ever paid video was for a product I already had inside my kitchen. I didn't buy it to make UGC, I already owned it, and the brand could feel that energy inside the video that I was naturally passionate about it. And they actually came back for more content from that. So pick 2 to 3 niches where you have a real life experience, write them down, like right now, write them down, and that's your lane. Get clear on it, take it from your mind, write it down on paper, and those are your lanes. Those are your niches when you start UGC. Now, once you have your lane, most people jump straight into pitching brands, and that's the second biggest mistake I see, because brands will ghost you if you don't have this one thing ready first. The second thing I would do is build a minimum viable portfolio, MVP, and I would do it today, not next week. I would do it today. If you don't know what a portfolio is, your portfolio is just a simple 1-page website that shows brands who you are and what your content looks like as a creator. Think of it as like a creative resume. And most new creators, when they start off, they spend their first month like getting ready with their portfolio and watching tutorials and buying equipment, and they never actually build their portfolio, and it's crazy. And you can crush it and knock it out of the water in a record time with your portfolio if you just follow these steps. Industry data shows that creators who build their portfolio in the first 48 hours are 3 times more likely to land a deal in their first 30 days than creators who wait. So here's how you do it. You go to Canva, you open up a free account, and you create a portfolio. Now at the top of your portfolio, you put your bio, you put your contact information and a 1-liner about you and what you bring to the market. Then on section 2, you add your content examples. Now, if you're brand new, you obviously don't have UGC examples yet, and that's totally fine. Just film 3 practice videos with products in those niches we already chose today. You can do that today, and you can set up your portfolio today with products that you already own, and it's that simple. 30 seconds each, talking head, just you talking about why you like the product, and put those on page 2. Now, section 3 is your about me, where you're from, your interests, your niche, your email. Keep it very, very, very simple. Your portfolio doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to exist and be there, and over time, you'll make it more pretty, whatever you want to do, adjust it, make it more professional. But right now, you just need something to send when a brand says, show me your work. Boom, you'll send that portfolio. Remember that the creators who win are the ones who ship fast and improve later, not the ones who wait until everything is perfect. Don't get into that perfectionism loop. I remember from Tony Robbins this quote, perfectionism is the lowest standard on the earth because it's not real. So don't be a perfectionist. So you picked your lane and you built your portfolio. Now here's where 90% of creators get stuck. And it's the most frustrating part of this whole entire thing. But if you get this right, everything changes. The third step is to film your first 5 UGC videos before you ever reach out to a single brand. Here's why. When you send a pitch to a brand and they click your portfolio and see one video, they're gonna think, wow, this person just started, they're a beginner, no. Click trash. And they'd be right when every other creator sending them an email has a bunch of videos on there. But when they see 5 videos across different products in your niche, they think, wow, this person is super, super serious and good at what they do with multiple kinds of videos. Amazing. 5 videos, remember, it's the magic number, and it is enough to show a range without being overwhelming to the company. Now here's the framework for filming these videos that I teach every creator that I work with. Keep it very simple, talking head, your phone, and the product. Use a hook in the first 2 seconds. Don't start with, hey guys, or so I wanted to talk about, because it's irrelevant and frankly, no one really cares. And that's the truth about social media. Start with the product or the problem. Let me go get an example for you. I'm gonna use these nice Beats earbuds that I have, and I will demonstrate how to do it.
I was struggling with my headphones just always hurting my ears, and I didn't really know what to do about it until I found these Beats wireless earbuds.
That's it, that's the script. And when you share your honest experience in 20 to 30 seconds, you're gonna kill it.
The thing about these earbuds is that they actually go inside of the ear, so it doesn't actually hurt the outside of my ear. And they help me with noise cancellation, and they're super, super comfortable. And they're not like those clunky headphones where you walk around, you go on a workout, and they just like shake on your head. They just don't feel good. They feel like they're gonna fall off every like 3 seconds. These earbuds frankly changed my life. Go get them now.
Y'all, it's that simple. It's raw, it's unpolished, it's FaceTime energy. It's like the I just filmed this in my bedroom style of content, if you know what I mean. This content outperforms the pretty stuff any day. And brands know this. And UGC works because it feels so raw and authentic. So be yourself and be authentic on camera. So don't think it looks like a Super Bowl ad. It does not. It's super raw, authentic. I'll toss some like captions on there and like basic edits, but that would be brand ready because authentic sells. I remember my first video, I wore an oversized blazer from like the back of my closet and used a cheap mic from the dollar store. And that video made me $200. And my phone was the only equipment that I needed. So you know what to do. Film 5 videos this week, 1 a day, upload them to your portfolio, and by Friday, you're ahead of 99% of people who are still watching tutorials instead of creating. There we go. And now you have your lane, your portfolio, and 5 videos. This is where it gets super exciting because everything we've done so far costs $0 and takes less than a week. But this next step is where the money actually starts coming in. Step 4 is pitching. And the reason most creators fail at pitching is because they do what I did when I started. They send 200 cold DMs and say, hey, I love your headphones. I love your product and I want to create content for you. But that message gets ignored and ghosted every single time from brands because every other creator on the internet is frankly sending that to companies. You gotta separate yourself. So here's what actually works. First, find brands in your niche that are already running UGC style ads. Go on TikTok and Instagram and search hashtags in your niche and look for ads that feature regular people talking to camera. Those brands are already spending money on UGC and already believe in it, so you're not convincing them to try something new, so it's gonna be much easier to close them. You're just offering them another creator, another video from a better creator, hopefully. And second, find the right person to contact. Don't DM the brand's main account. Find the marketing manager or content manager on LinkedIn or find their email on the brand's website, something like that. That's the person who actually makes the hiring decisions. And third, send a pitch that leads with value. Don't talk about yourself first, talk about them first. I call it brand centered. So here's how I would pitch if I'm pitching Beats. Hey Beats by Dre, I noticed that you're running UGC ads for your wireless in-ear earbuds. And I actually use these earbuds every single day at the gym because my headphones kept falling off of my ears. And I put together a quick concept for a video that I think would really perform well for you. Here's my portfolio, insert link. Would love to chat about creating content for you and your next campaign to knock it out of the water. That pitch works because you're showing them that you did your homework and you already used their product and you came in with an idea, not just a request. Send 5 of these a day, 25 a week. Within 30 days, you'll have responses. I can almost guarantee it because the math works. If even 5% of brands respond and 50% of those convert, that's your first deal from 100 pitches. That's insane. And here's what happens after the first one. The second deal comes faster, and then the third comes even faster. And because now you have proof, a testimonial, a review, a real portfolio piece, that's the compound effect doing the work for you. The more that you create, the more inputs you put in, you're going to reap those rewards. We reap what we sow, and we sow what we reap. Now, the first 4 steps will absolutely get you started in making money. But this next step is the difference between creators who make $500 and quit and the creators who build this into a real 5 to 10K per month income. And the 5th step is the one that changed everything for me. And it's to stop thinking about UGC as a one-off gigs and start thinking about monthly retainers. A one-off brand deal pays you $300 to $500 for a single video. You deliver it, you get paid, and then you're back to square one pitching again. A retainer deal pays you $1,000 to $5,000 a month to create 4 to 8 videos consistently. Same brand every month, guaranteed income. So here's how you get retainers. After you deliver your first project for a brand and they're happy with it, you send this message. Hey, Mrs. Brand, so glad the content performed well. I'd love to keep creating content for you on a monthly basis. I can do $1,000 for 5 videos every single month this way, so you have consistent content coming in without having to search for new creators every single time. How does that sound? Most brands want consistency and they hate the process of finding new creators every single month. So if you deliver good work on time and then offer to make their life easier by sticking around, most of them will actually say yes. And I went from making $200 one-off gigs to $14,000 in a single month once I started stacking retainers, and retainers are where the real freedom comes from because you wake up knowing exactly how much money is coming in this month. And that's the difference between I do UGC on the side and I quit my job from UGC. So let me recap the whole plan. If I was starting from zero today in 2026, step 1, pick your lane based on what you already know and use. Step 2, build your MVP portfolio today on Canva in under an hour. And then step 3, film 5 practice videos this week. And then step 4, pitch 5 brands a day using the value first framework. And step 5, convert your best clients into monthly retainers so you build real income. Every single student I've worked with who's followed these 5 steps in order landed a paid deal within their first 30 days. And some of them within their first week. And the ones who skip the steps or try to figure out on their own order are the ones who are still stuck 6 months later. Now, if you found this valuable and you're thinking, okay, Gloria, I want to actually do this, where do I start for real? I might have something for you. I'm doing a private live class next week where I'm breaking down the exact system that helped my students get paid $2.3 million by brands like Adobe Photoshop, Perplexity, and Canva last year. Everything I share today is just a foundation, but what I share in that class is the advanced playbook that turns this into a real full-time income. It's free, but spots are limited because I'm keeping the room very small and personal. The link is actually the first thing in the description if you're interested. Grab your spot before it fills up, and if you got value from this video, subscribe because I post new videos like this every single week, breaking down exactly how regular women are building freedom from just their phone. I will see you on the next one.